In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download Instagram Reels without watermarks. This is important for maintaining a professional and polished look, especially when repurposing content across multiple platforms. To do this, simply head to Instagram. Now let's say this is the reel you want to download. Simply tap onto this send icon to copy the reel link to clipboard. Now once done, head to your Telegram. This is the easiest and most effective way. On your settings page, head to saved messages. Now you want to paste in your video link right here. Now in between, add two Ds, double D, and then click on the send button. Your reel will get generated successfully. Now download it, and once done, head to it. Tap onto the share icon and click on save video. Your reel will get saved to your phone gallery without watermarks. Well, that's how easy it is to download Instagram Reels without watermark. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.